Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KR Welcome CBSE School Moodle online classes. So today I will continue with third problem of exercise 5.2. So I will solve third and fifth problem of exercise 5.2. Try to solve the fourth problem. So here in third problem what they are given, draw a pie chart showing the following information. They have given one table, so we have to draw one pie chart for that. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. So here they have given one table which includes colors and number of peoples. So group of peoples who likes blue, green, red, yellow they have given. And here, what they are given again? Find the proportion of each sector. So first, I will consider the table. What they are given? Colors. Colors. Number of people. Colors. Number of people. Blue color referred by 18 people. Green. Green color by 9. Red by 6 colors. Yellow by 3 people. So total they have given blue 18, green 9, red 6, yellow 3. Means 18 plus 9, 18 plus 9 27, 27 plus 6 33, 33 plus 3 36. So total 36 number of people. And here in bracket they are given find the proportion of each sector. Find the proportion of each sector. For example, they have given example here. Blue is 18 by 36. Here, blue is referred by number of people 18 and total 36. So what we can write here 18 by 36 means 18 on the 18 to the what we will get 1 by 2. So like this only. Next again what I have given for green. This is for blue. For green number of people prefer green 9. Or number of people who likes green 9 and total number 36. Therefore, for green this is for blue and for green here it is 9 by 36. Number of people who likes green 9, total number 36. Therefore, 9 by 36. 9 on the 9 to the 36 is equal to 1 by 4. So here find the proportion of each sector. You have to find out proportion of each sector. This is called as proportion of each sector. It is blue and it is for green. They have given these two examples and so on. Use this to find corresponding angles. By using this, we have to find out corresponding angles in pie chart. So here first what they have given colors. After this number of people. number of people. Next, we have to write this into fraction format, means in fraction, and we have to convert this into proportional values. Here only I will write this fraction values. I will convert into proportional values, and final column central angle or corresponding angle. So here, what is the color first they have given? Blue. Number of people 18. Next we have to write 18 in fraction, means blue liked by 18 people and total number of people 36. Therefore here I will write 18 by 36, and so find out the proportion means they are given for blue only 18 1 the 18 2 the, means here we should write 1 by 2, and by using this you have to calculate corresponding angle or central angle, means we have to consider 1 by 2 here into 360 degree, means here 2 on the, here 360 by 2 means here 2 on the, 3 means 2 on the, 1 is remaining, it becomes 16, 2 8 the 16, and remaining is 0. Therefore what you got? 180 degree. Corresponding angle or central angle of blue is 180 degree. Now next what they have given? After blue, they have given green. So here I will write green. Number of people 9, and we know that total number of people 36. Therefore, what we will write here? 9 by 36 means 9 on the 9 4 the 36 is equal to 1 by 4. So I will consider this proportion value to this proportion value to calculate central angle. I will consider this proportion value to calculate central angle or corresponding angle. Therefore, here it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 360 degree. So here 4 on the 4 9 is 36 and remaining is 0. Therefore, 90 degree. Corresponding angle of green color is 90 degree. Next, after green, it is red. For red, number of people 6 and total number is 36. Therefore, 6 by 36. Here 6 on the 6 6 the. Therefore, 1 by 6. Therefore, here I will write 1 by 6 into 360 degree. Therefore, here 6 on the 6 6 the 36 and remaining is 0 equals to 60 degrees. What you got for red? It is 60 degrees. Next, yellow. Next one is yellow. Number of people 3, and in fraction, we have to write this as 3 by 36 is equal to, because total number of people 36. Therefore, 3 by 36 is equal to, here 3 on the 3 1 the and 3 to the 6. Therefore, 1 by 12. Here I will consider 1 by 12 into 360 degree. Here 12 on the 12 3 the 36 and remaining is 0 equals to 30 degree. So now we got the central angle value. Now we can draw pie chart for this. Here I will draw. This table is given in question only. This table. So now, first I will consider one circle with convenient radius. This is the center point. First, I have to consider one radius. Here I will consider. Now, first one, blue central angle is 180 degree. So from here, I have to consider 180 degree. Use protractor and draw a line for 180 degree. This is 180 degree. This represents blue color. Next, after this blue color, green for 90 degree. So now, from here, draw a line for 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, and this represents green color. Next, after green, next red color, which is 60 degree. Place it on point here and draw a line for 60 degree. This is 60 degree, and this represents red color. Next, remaining is 30 degree. This is 30 degree, which represents 30 degree means remaining color is yellow. And while drawing this pie chart, first you should consider one radius here. Keep your protractor properly on this point and consider 180 degree to this side, because already first you have considered this line as radius, so you have to consider 180 degree to this side, and you will get 180 degree here for blue. And now again place the projector on this point and draw 90 degree line towards this side. So you will get 90 degree here. Next, after this, here again you have to place it on this point only. Consider this line as the baseline of your projector and draw a line for 60 degree. You will get here, and remaining is 30 degree only. So this is the pie chart for given information. So now I will move to the fifth problem. In fifth problem, what they have given here, the number of students in a hostel, speaking different languages is given below. So what they have given here, number of students in hostel speaking different languages, they have given. Display the data in pie chart. We have to display it in pie chart. So what they have given here, language and number of students. So they have given this information row wise. They have given this information in this table row wise, language below that, number of students, but I will write it in column format. Means first I will write language and number of students here. Language, number of students. They have given information about in a hostel number of students who speak different languages. So Hindi, first one is Hindi. Hindi is spoken by 40 students. Next, English. English spoken by 12 students. Marathi by 9 students. Tamil 7 students. Tamil 7 students. Bengali 4 students. Bengali 4 students. So final total. What is the total? 40 plus 12, 62. 62 plus 9, 71. Sorry, 40 plus 12, 52. 52 plus 9, 61. 61 plus 7, 68. 68 plus 4, 72. Total, there are 72 students in that hostel, and Hindi is spoken by 40 students, English by 12, Marathi by 9 students, and Tamil 7, and Bengali 4 students. So here first we have to find out central angle. For that, what we have to do? Language, number of students, and we have to write this in fraction. After that, central angle. So here, first one is Hindi language by 40 students. Therefore, in fraction means 40 students, and total there are 72. Means 40 by 72. 40 divided by 72. So central angle is 40 by 72 into 360. 40 by 360. Sorry, 40 by 72 into 360. So try to calculate that. Here I will write directly 40 by 72 into 360. Try to calculate that. What you will get? Answer 200. So here I will write directly. After calculation you will get 200 degrees for Hindi. It is central angle. Next, English. For English, 9 students, 9 by 72 means here 9 by 72 into 360 degree. What you will get again? 9 by 72 into 360 degree means here I will write directly again. For English, sorry, for English it is 12. 9 it is for Marathi. So here I will change. It is 12 for English. Therefore here I will write 12 by 72, and again 12 by 72 into 360 degree. Number of students 12, and in fraction means 12 by 72. 72 is total number. Therefore central angle is 12 by 72 into 360 degree. If you calculate, what you will get here? 60 degree. Calculate this. Here I will write directly 60 degree. Next, for Marathi. For Marathi, there are 9 number of students, and total number is 72. Therefore 9 by 72, and here central angle is 9 by 72 into 360 degree equals to 9 by 72 into 360 degree means what you will get here? 45 degree. 45 degree for Marathi. Next again Tamil is spoken by 7 students. Therefore, total number of students are 72. Therefore, 7 by 72. 7 by 72 into, so in central angle, what you have to write? 7 into 7, 7 by 72 into 360 degree. So what you will get here? 7 by 72 into 360 degree means Tamil. It is 35 degree. It is 35 degree. Calculate all these values. 7 by 72 into 360. You have to calculate that. What will get answer? 35 degree. Here I have written it directly. Next remaining one is Bengali, spoken by 4 students here. Bengali, 4 students, means here you should write 4 students spoken, in total 72 number of students means 4 by 72. So central angle is 4 by 72 into 360 degree. So answer is 4 by 72 into 360 degree means what you will get here? 20 degree. Calculate all these values, central angle. All these values I have written it directly. Calculate what you will get here: 200 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree, 20 degree. So now we can draw one pie chart by using these details. By considering the convenient radius, draw one circle first. Mark the midpoint of the circle and consider one radius. And now Hindi is spoken by how many students? 40 means central angle is 200. So now you have to draw one line for 200 degree. So first you will get 180 degree in your protractor. You can get only 180 degree in your protractor. So first you will get 180 degree here, and now from this dotted line you should consider again 20 degree, because 180 plus 20 means how much? 200. So here 200 degree for Hindi means in your protractor only you can get 180 degree. First you have to mark for 180 degree. After that, place on this line protractor, place it on this line and mark for 20 degree. So now this 20 degree plus 180 degree, total angle is 200 degree. This is for Hindi. Okay. Next, English, 60 degree. Place the protractor by considering this line as the baseline. Consider this line as the baseline, and this is the point. Now draw the line for 60 degree. This is 60 degree for English. Next, after this, Marathi, 45 degree. Now consider this as the baseline for the next angle. Consider this as the baseline. Place the protractor on this line by considering the baseline, and this is the point. Now you have to consider 45 degree. So draw the line for 45 degree. So this is 45 degree for Marathi. Next language is Tamil, 35 degree. Now consider this as the baseline. Place the protractor on this baseline, and this is the point. Now consider 35 degree. So this is 35 degree for Tamil language. and remaining is 20 degree. This is for Bengali. So this is the pie chart for information they have given. So I hope you all are clear with these two problems, problem number 3 and 5, and solve the problem number 4. If you got any doubt, contact me. So in next class I will continue with some examples of exercise 5.3. Thank you all.